Roti Canai is a traditional Malaysian flatbread, known for its flaky texture and delicious flavor. It has been enjoyed by Malaysians for many years and is now gaining popularity around the world. It is made from a combination of wheat flour, egg, sugar, yeast and ghee or cooking oil. The dough is kneaded and flattened until it forms a thin sheet, which is then folded into multiple layers and cooked in a hot pan. The result is a delicious flatbread that can be served with various curries or as an accompaniment to any meal. Making roti canai requires skill and patience, but the end result makes it all worth it. Here is a short video recording showing how this delicious flatbread is prepared in one of the Mamak restaurants in Donggongon, Penampang.